The numbers 1 to 100 pronounced with an Australian accent. 0. No worries, mate. 1. One kangaroo. 2. Two koalas. 3. Three platypus. 4. Four cassowaries. 5. Five echidna. 6. Six cockatoos. 7. Seven goannas. 8. Eight Tasmanian devils. 9. Nine camels. 10. 10 turtles. 11. 11 sugar gliders. 12. 12 rainbow lorikeets. 13. 13 dingoes. 14. 14 boomerangs. 15. 15 surfboards. 16. 16 pints of beer. 17. 17 pairs of thongs. 18. 18 sharks. 19. 19 frogs. 20. 20 butterflies. 21. 21 kayaks. 30. 30 kite surfers. 31. 31 windsurfers. 40. 40 board shorts. 41. 41 t-shirts. 50. 50 shoes. 51. 51 hats. 60. 60 cricket bats. 61. 61 pairs of jeans. 70. 70 singlets. 71. 71 jackets. 80. 80 pairs of glasses. 81. 81 pairs of sunnies. 90. 90 wallets. 91. 91 backpacks. 100 or 100, $100. You can find other lessons on our Australian Accent channel. Would you like to request a lesson? Send us a message on our Patreon page. You'll find a link in the caption below. Please like and subscribe. We love having you here.